Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Are you planning your trip with Wizz? Make your journey smoother by checking in online. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to check in online, get your boarding pass, and prepare for your flight. So the first step is you have to check in. So I will show you how to check in. You can check in your for use air flight in three ways. First of all, you have to go to the Wizz Air official website, visit wizzair.com, and the second is using the Wizz Air mobile app which is available on Android and iOS. If you are checking your Wizz Air app on your phone, then make sure to download their official app. And the third step is which is basically at the airport check-in counter. However, for the fastest and most convenient experience, we recommend checking in online. Go to wizzair.com or open the Wizz Air mobile app, enter your booking details here, origin, destination, your departure, return, etc., or how many passengers are you going with. Then you have to check in timing. If you have pre-selected a seat, you can check in between 30 days and 3 hours before departure. If you did not choose a seat, in advance check-in is available 24 hours before departure. Get your boarding pass. Once checked in, you will receive a boarding pass. You can either print it or download it on your phone. Make sure to have it ready for airport security and boarding. Now the step 5 is baggage drop and security check. If you have checked baggage, drop it off at the baggage drop counter before the deadline. Check-in and baggage drop off times are available in the check-in and baggage drop time section on the Wizz Air website. Arriving early helps avoid any last-minute issues. If you hold a non-EU travel document, visit the airport check-in counter to verify your documents. The airline staff will stamp your boarding pass. Without this, you may not be allowed to board. Arrive at the boarding gate with your boarding pass and travel documents at least 30 minutes before departure. Boarding closes promptly, so don't be late. And that's it. Now we are ready to check in and enjoy a hassle-free flight with Wizz Air. If this video is helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips. See you in the next video.